looking for adventure. You can do it, big fella.
How was it?
It's invigorating. Holy those bugs. Oh, don't knock any on me.
I'm not gonna die? I thought that was a bear.
We want to pump you up, man. Matt, this is painful just watching you. So far, it's been an amazing journey. I'm old, man. I'm old. I'm not stuck. I'm old. I brought you coffee, but I drank it.
What is this outfit? Oh, there's plenty of room.
There we go.
Should be fine. Should be fine. Okay, oh, you prepped the front seat for me. No problem. Good job. Good job.
There's fluids, right? We've got spare fluid.
There we go. Spreading love.
Cinematic gold.
A1.
Cinematic gold.
Anchorage, Alaska.
Fort Smith is right over there.
Oh, you're so nice, Michael.
Don't be a whiny little shit, Matt. Hey guys, it's been 32 days on the road. It's been a long trip. We finally made it to the 60th parallel. Beyond, next stop, Fort Smith. Follow us on the YouTube and hopefully we'll see you in Tuck. Michael Hall, Russ Bros 2025. Somewhere Matt put his squiggly little signature too. Not that anybody cares, but he did. Oh, look, there's a polar bear. Oh, and a muskox. Hello. Okay, look, I've only seen one in my life. Very rare.
You've seen one?
Yes, up in, we were in Camano. We saw one, very rare. They are very private. These things will fight off grizzly bears. Yeah, you've heard of the honey badger? That's almost like a relative. We also saw these in Camano, like 3 feet tall at the back end. Muskox?
Muskox still exists? I thought they were extinct.
No, man.
Like prehistoric time.
Mammoths are extinct, man.
Sorry.
I'm gonna slap you. Okay, guys, forgive him. He know not what he's saying.
That's how big they are.
Yeah, well, this is probably, no, I bet they're a lot bigger than this, aren't they? Yes.
Really?
This is an average size one, man. Look at those. Ooh, do not touch the claws. Ooh, look at those. Wow. It's not like Grizz where they're all dull. These are sharp. Rip your face. Well, that's so they can snag them seals, right? Or bear bait sucha. Yes, bear bait sucha. Arctic fox. Oh, look at beauties, eh? Each piece of art tells a story. Beadwork, beautiful. Pretty amazing place. Well, you guys have a great day. How's it going?
I'm a huge fan, bro.
You're not that big. What do you mean you're huge? You're a mid-sized fan. Hang on.
It's like one of the best days, man. Bro, this is awesome, man. Look at me, Michael. My name is Harry Landry. I'm from Fort Providence.
Where's that?
That's
On your way to Smith, you turn off the Hay River, and then you go keep on across the junction. You come across the junction, go to Fort Simpson and Yellowknife.
What cities are we going to be near again, by the way?
The 27th at Watson Lake, because then we're going up to Tuck.
nice. You're gonna love that Alaska highway, bro. It's
I love
awesome.
it all, man. Everything's beautiful.
Beautiful country.
Yeah, it is.
Nice to
Except
meet
for
you,
the
my
fucking bugs.
Nice to meet you. I met Mike Hall today. Woo!
Hey, how's it going? Nice to meet you, sir. Yes,
I
have a
have to
good
meet
one.
that asshole every day. Okay, Twin Falls, find it.
Find it. Drive a little bit.
Oh my God! Woo! Do you know who they are?
No, we're not. No, we're not. Nope, no pictures. No, you gotta pay. Stand right here.
Come on, the ring! Okay.
Okay, stand right here. Okay, there we go. Okay. Hang on a second. Let me get in the costume here. Okay. There we go. Okay.
Woo!
Anyway, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
You guys have a great day. This is our first tourist stop, well, counting north of 60, the Tourist Information Center. We're now at beautiful Twin Falls, where it's a Twin Falls Cultural Interpretive Trail. Let's go right, stairway to the river. Perfect. Oh, look, check this out. This is wild. Guys, come and see the Twin Falls, because this is amazing. The fact they don't even have a fence here. I wonder how many people have jumped. I don't think that's a swimming area. I'm not gonna jump off it and check. It is beautiful, it is wild, it is like 100 and something feet straight down. Don't get too close to the edge, because it is straight vert.
Where are we?
We are at Twin Falls. I've dipped my toes into the Great Slave Lake. I've swam in the Atlantic, and now, I don't even know what the hell this river's called, but we're gonna go for a dip. It is one of the most amazing places I have ever seen in my life. Oh, it's cold. It's cold and wet. Okay, your turn, bud.
So how was it?
It was invigorating.
Okay.
Go, Matt, go, go, Matt, go. Hopefully you're not wearing a Speedo, buddy. I don't know if the fans can. They're gonna say something about your choice of apparel. Are they baby blue, Matt? Are they pink?
Of course they're baby.
As you guys all know, Matt does indeed sit when he pees. Here, I won't focus on your f***ing weenie. Look at that physique. Oh my God. Okay, Matt, careful. Hey, no hair in the pool. No hair in the pool. You want to go where there's a little bit of current, then it's not slippery. Look at him go. Okay, be careful coming back. We've came, we've seen, we've swam, we've conquered. Another one off the checklist. Next stop, Fort Smith. Say, Matt.
Waterfalls warning. Slippery surface, yeah, same old.
Matt, you're walking around in your f***ing underwear.
Yes, and? There's nobody.
Is it true you when you pee? It's
not piss.
Is it true, Matt?
No, depends.
Liar.
Of course, us morons went for the swim in the non-swimming spot in the rapid. Oh, there's bears, eh? So what do we happen? What happens if we come across a bear? Hey, bear! I'm gonna my pants if I come across a bear, Mike.
I wonder why it's closed. Can we go down it? I might get
No.
motion sick. Well, look how cool that is.
It is cool, but
Come on,
if
Matt.
it's closed for a reason, Mike.
It says it's closed, but why? It says the trail is closed. It doesn't say that the stairs are closed. Come on, where's your joie de vivre, buddy?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
It's pretty cool, though.
This is very cool. Matt!
No, you just Michael.
Look, I'm getting dizzy already, Matt.
I'm not good with heights. Unless I'm getting paid extremely well for it. How much more is there?
About 10 feet.
Oh, okay. You can say we did the stairs.
No, we're gonna do it all, man. Oh, that's why the trail's closed, Matt. It eroded here.
Oh, Jesus.
It's okay, man.
Awesome. There's like no one around here for a reason, which means there's probably more bears here. There's less humans. This is pretty. I like these falls.
You can get down there.
I'm not going down there.
Why not?
No.
Look, there's a rope.
I've got a drone.
Look, Matt. We could make it. It's got knots. Come on. Where's your joie de vivre? And we can walk right out there. How cool would that be?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
But you're the rock scaler.
Yes, I am, Matt.
Holy pretty far down, though.
Well, we'll see. What you have here is unstable ground. See that?
Oh my God.
You can do it. Come on, hurry up. We're going to run out of camera. Let's go. So, not such a good idea to wear your underwear, eh, Matt? Come on. You can do it, big fella. God, if only you were a rock scaler. Oh. Don't knock any shit on me. Not as easy as the 70-year-old guy made it look, eh, Matt? God, you're worse than a child. Come on. Your kids are going to be laughing at you.
Ow.
Daddy, were you scared?
Yes. There's bears, cliffs, rocks, Mike Hall.
We're almost there, Matt. Oh, look at you. Just think, it's way harder going back up, Matt. We're gonna get the shot, buddy. Matt, this is painful just watching you. No, that's fireweed, Matt. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. This is super cool, Matt. This is the second part of the falls. Unfortunately, the trail is closed right at the moment. Remember that? The trail is closed. This is the Twin Falls. Very beautiful. More peaceful, more contemplative. I don't remember where we came down.
Don't remember
Right
where we
here.
came down.
It was right here.
Oh yeah, there it is. There,
Right
yes.
there, okay. Okay, do you want to go up first, or would you like me to pioneer the path? Then I can laugh at you as you try to scramble up there.
Are you stuck?
No, I'm old, Mom. I'm old. I'm not stuck. I'm old.
Fuck. Okay, we made it.
No, we aren't home yet. Let's go.
Okay. I thought that was a bear.
Really?
Well, it's big and dark and like brownish.
Are you scared, Matt?
Yes.
Great shape.
I'm pretty good shape. Okay.
Come on, Matt. Why are you huffing?
What is it?
Okay.
Are you sure?
That's not.
I'm not gonna die?
No, try one. They're good.
If this is the last thing I have you see before I die, I love you, Steph. Oh, isn't it good? The bears like that.
You guys stop and see the first ones? Oh my God. It's like 120 feet straight down. You can walk right down and you walk right out. There's no fence or nothing. You can stand here and you're looking straight down 120 feet. Pretty wild. Hey man, let's go eat.
We have a beautiful country.
We have a beautiful country.
Have a good one, guys. Safe travels. What's that? What's that? Let me see. Oh, the bicycle.
Whatever else we could use it for, man. I don't know.
Okay,
We want to pump you up, man. We are good to go.
Proceed to the route.
Proceed to the route, man.
stretch my leg. Look at this shit falling out of here. Like, oh my God. Oh. Use toothpick. Oh. Oh, my back, man.
I seen you guys by the border yesterday. You were driving along.
We've been
Or not yesterday, the day before.
we've been across the country and back.
How's the car running?
Oh, 15,000 First test drive.
Broken
Where did you
in.
guys drive from?
We drove from BC out to Halifax and then up to here.
Oh, you went to Halifax first?
Yeah,
Holy
a bunch of car shows. This is the last one. And holy those bugs.
isn't even bad yet.
Really? Does it get worse as the night goes on?
Usually in the evenings it'll get worse, but in the summer it's like in June and July it's really bad.
Oop, it's full.
Really nice to meet you. Thanks so much. Oh, nice dog.
Oh, hey, Pop.
This is little Cujo.
Hi, puppy.
I didn't realize you're as tall as you are, dude. Cool. All right.
Nice to meet you.
Good night.
See ya. Okay, so we're turning around.
Go back this way, they said.
Oh, it is this way?
Yes. Yeah, which way to go?
I would go right.
Oh, yeah, music festival.
And there's this campground thing.
Yeah.
I think that sign maybe indicates that it's
Yes,
a.
man. Yeah, okay. Here we go.
2.8 kilometers.
Queen Elizabeth Park.
Oh, it'd be nice to have a little campfire though, Michael.
Fuck, oh, it'd be nice to go to fucking bed. You can stay up and fucking.
No, I want to go to bed too. I'm gonna eat a burger and some ribs. A fed bear is a what? Dead bear?
Fed bear is a dead bear.
Yeah. Is this where we're going?
This is it, yeah.
Hi guys. Okay, we're here, Michael.
I don't see an 18.
This ain't 18.
Oh, where's
Got
they?
you food.
Oh,
Real food.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You made it.
Hey, how's it going?
Melissa.
Oh, okay, I've talked
Terry.
to you.
Yeah.
Hi, how's it going? Matt, nice to meet you in person. Yes, of course. How's it going? Nathan. Hi.
Allison.
Allison, how's it going?
Allison.
Easton. Hi there.
Terry.
Terry, you okay if I'm filming?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool.
So Melissa and I and Jolene and Terry all are helping out with we're directors of the Fireweed Festival. Terry is head of the vintage cars, so you guys will be
Oh, so there you go.
together.
And you're crashing in my pad.
Yes.
Thank you, appreciate that. Okay, now I'm getting the bug spray. I do not like bugs.
Can you find it? It's right where you put it.
Where? Where is
Look at
it?
that.
Look at this show.
Just don't break my computer.
Where is it now?
It's a little bottle.
I know.
Everything's on the seat.
Everything. There it is. Okay. Victory is mine.
That's got a powerful system.
Die, fly.
The biggest.
Hi there.
The biggest.
Hi, I'm Matt. Nice to
How
meet
are
you.
you?
Thank you so
Jolene,
much.
of
You're so
course.
sweet. Thank you.
Of course. We figured we needed to feed
No,
you.
all good, all good.
Come
Thank
on
you.
in.
Hello, we made it.
You made it.
Here, hang on. Was there?
What are you doing?
Waiting for my phone.
Are you gonna show them the video?
Yeah. Hang on. Where's the one?
You still see the paint on the front of your car, or is it just straight bugs?
Haven't looked at yet. A few bugs.
Here, Matt. No, that's a burger.
Where's Avery? What did you say for?
Where's Avery when you need him? Holy fuck. How do you tackle it? Better hurry, Matter. I'm eating yours too.
Thank you guys. This is great. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
We're here, Michael. Survived. No, that's why it's a bit of a wait. You might want to take the side by side. There's bears here?
Yes, man.
We gotta watch out for
Look at
bears.
this. Yes.
This car is ground zero for bear fucking. Bring all your jerky in.
This place is fucking huge.
Mike's already warning me to move quickly when we go inside so the bugs don't get in.
Holy that's quite the fucking gap.
Yes, geez, thank you.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's like a house.
Holy
This is great.
If you did, you had another person coming possibly.
no.
No.
Okay.
They are gonna make it.
There's that bed up there.
They are gonna make it. So fucking this is
Oh, up here. Okay, yeah.
this is way more. Oh. There you go, man. You can climb up and sleep in this one. There's a ladder.
That's okay. I can reach up here. The further away from Mike snoring,
That's right.
Mike gets up. Mike gets up in the middle of the night about 4 times.
There you go.
Mike, Michael, there's something on the roof. I was scared. 6:30. Go back to bed.